I just found out that maybe I'm putting in too little leave-in conditioner in my hair while I let it dry, because I know this part right here, I put quite a bit in. I need that crunch so that my hair is very frizz prone, and I also need it to hold whatever curl I'm going to get. And I noticed that this area right here is curled like even up into here, because I don't really put any product up here or like underneath my hair. So underneath my hair is more flat and straight, and also right back through here, which I don't think I can feel it, and it doesn't, I don't feel the crunch, so I didn't put really any product. So I'm putting way too little leave-in conditioner in my hair. And I like using the Mixed Chicks leave-in conditioner. I've noticed it's the only one that gives me a crunch and kind of holds my hair and the frizz. I've tried Jessie Curl, and I also tried, well, let me just show y'all. So I tried a couple of others, and I wasn't too fond of them. So these are the two that I tried. And I mean, I love Shea Moisture. I love their leave-in, or their refresh actually. So I like this refresh mixed with the Mixed Chicks, these two. Like, so I like to plop when I get out of the shower. I like to use this, and I like to plop. And then the next day, I like to use this, because both of these don't wear my hair down, and they really hold my curl and the frizz and all the stuff. Now my hair is crunchy, but it's like, I'd rather it be crunchy than it not really do anything. These two do not crunch my hair. I can use a ton of them. My hair does not get crunchy. It stays soft, which is nice, but my hair looks really greasy and like more like limp. And I also have used this for a refresh, the As I Am. And this also leaves my hair soft, but kind of like a sticky, and almost like it's getting kind of matted and knotted easily. And it just looks just really limp and not very good. And I also use this one, but I used it with this one, so I don't know if this one is, you know, good or not for my hair. So I'm excited to try these. My hair looks great right now, so I'm kind of like, I don't want to mess it up, so I'm thinking of using the good one that I know looks nice, which is my Shea refresher. But I kind of want to like use this one just to see what happens. But I kind of want a good hair day. I haven't had a good hair day in like a couple of weeks, so where it's like really like nice and curled without a lot of frizz. Made myself peanut butter and banana toast. Ooh, Molly wants some. Hey, Moss. Are you want some? So cute. You're such a sweetheart. Look at that tail wag. We call her Sweet Tart because she's sweet and she's tart sometimes. Thinking I might go and walk to a coffee shop. Yesterday I didn't get any studying done, so I need to get lots of studying done today. So I'll probably go walk there. I need some exercise. I went to the gym yesterday, which was great, but I wanted to go again today. But it's Saturday. Usually the gym's a little bit busier on the weekend here at my apartment. So I might just walk over there, and I might go to the nature preserve area too. I think that sounds nice. My garden still has not popped up yet, which it's only been a few days. These are my watermelon. And then I think this one's a Brussels and broccoli. And then, no, this one's a Brussels and broccoli. And then this one is, what are you? Oh, the rainbow bell pepper mix. And then I have the heirloom tomatoes down. Oh, Miles. Be quiet. She always startles me. But I think we finally have gotten rid of the spider mites. I'm not sure. But at least this guy's unfurling a new leaf. My Regal's still looking okay, I guess. He feels a little dry, but I'm really mostly worried about my Vulcan palms. 2 of them rotted, and the other 2 look not so great, so I don't know what to do with them. Getting ready to go meet my friend for coffee. I am in Seattle. It's a little nerve-wracking driving downtown. I haven't done it for a while, and my GPS did not help me out much on the interstate. Like right when it gets to Seattle, like downtown, the interstate gets really weird. And so it wanted me to like go on, like continue on I-5 South. And so I was in that lane. But then after I got over and I was, you know, fine, then it was like, all right, now get off this exit, which was actually 2 lanes over to the right. And there's so much traffic. So it was very nerve-wracking in that I think that kind of set off the mood for me to kind of have some anxiety. So I made it. I found a spot. I like coming here on Sunday because parking is free, and y'all know I don't like spending money on frivolous things like parking. No thank you. So we are going to try this new place called Bake Shop, and if the weather's not too bad, we might walk over and see the ocean and things like that. If she doesn't want to do that, I'm probably gonna just do that on my own because I like doing things by myself too. And she's really cold natured like me, so she kind of is debating whether she wants to move out of state, which I don't want her to, but it's fine. Like, she's just fly back and forth. I can fly and see her, so it's not like that big of a deal. But still, she's like an hour and something from me. I prefer her to be even closer than that. But unfortunately, she lives all the way down in Tacoma, and I live way up north. So Google Maps took me to this back part. So definitely is not up in there. So let's see. I think it's on the front side of this building. So we'll take this little pathway. That place is cute. Alright, let's see if it's here. Oh, there it is. How cute is that? Bake Shop. This is like little pieces of ice. I don't know if y'all can tell. It's like tiny little ice pieces. I just got done with my physical therapy. Now I'm going to head out and meet my financial advisor, and then meet this lady that I'm kind of mentoring, and should be nice. We're gonna go to a little coffee shop. We're gonna go to Mr. West, which I love, but it's down in Seattle, and I've been needing to get an oil change for like a week, so I'm gonna have to go do that like tomorrow.